What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, so go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because I'm bringing you content every Sunday. So let's get right into this video. Okay, y'all, so let's get into this look because today we are going to be doing a continuation of last week's DIY distressed jeans. So I am wearing the distressed shorts that I created last week. So this is the side that I did the block out, and then this is the side that I did the lines and distress. I am allowing the pocket to be out, but you can tuck it in if you would like, and you'll see different pieces hanging. Like, I literally love these, and I styled it in two other ways, but I'll explain kind of my inspiration and kind of like what I was thinking whenever I put this outfit together. I love kind of being able to use the boyfriend look and really dressing it up and giving it some femininity. So I got this hat. I did thrift this hat, and I just randomly saw it one day and I was like, you know what? I have to have it. Gave me all kind of retro vintage vibes. So this, I always love an oversized white button down, and I really wanted you to be able to see the different layers. I love layering, and you know, I don't have a lot of colors on, so I really wanted to bring some color into this outfit. And so I used this scarf. I literally just looped it, tied it on the side, and then bam. And the great thing about this video and my channel is being able to be free in yourself and really express yourself and not care what anybody else thinks. And you make sure you bring your confidence. You bring it everywhere you go because the streets are your runway, waiting to see what you come up with next or what we come up with next. Okay, y'all. So let's continually get into these looks and let me know what else you would like to see from me in the future. If you like items like this or other customized pieces being offered on my shop, definitely comment below. But what story would you like told the Royal Blue by Priscilla Way? All right, guys. See you next time. Peace. This the feeling yourself. This the feeling yourself. The jam out, the jam out, the jam out.